add some music. So I'm gonna go on YouTube, and I'm gonna like unplug my phones, and add some fucking background music. No idea if this is too loud. It's kind of loud. Okay, this is good. Okay. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is actually add the UI for this. So we're gonna get a scene or something. There's probably an eye icon. I mean, it selected something. I have no. Oh no, it didn't. Watch. Nope. Okay, let me see if I can get one. I'm gonna go on the non-project. No, the non-project I have to like do the thing. Do they not have this? I just go on React Icons. I'm gonna go on React Icons. I think this is the thing that I like use the most, like of all React packages. I use this shit a lot. So React Icons. No, this is the link that I want. Also, my internet's super fucking slow for some reason. Okay, so if I go front awesome, let me get I or something. Yeah, okay, there we go. So let me yarn at React Icons. And I'm gonna add these two icons. So, so in the, I think the header, no, that header is not what I want, that's for sure. So let me go on the movie thing. So in here, I have those things right here. So this is the rating, and I have these two images. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put these two images on one side. So this is gonna be a div. And this is gonna be a div, and then I'm gonna have another div. So the only idea for this div is that it basically all it does is like flex shit. It flexes things. That's literally all it does. So in here, I'm gonna add a button. And this button is gonna have this thing, so I'm gonna copy this. Import. Where is that? Okay, cool. Import. Yep, from React Icons Live FA, and I want to import FA slash and FAI. So FA slash and FAI. So just these two, I think. Yep. So let's try to add this. So in here, and this button is gonna have just like the FAI, and let's see what that shit looks like. So can I resolve React Icons? Oh yeah, so they changed this somehow that I don't remember how. Yeah, so it's just FA now. So if I reload a page, it should have something. Yep, so I have a really crappy button. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is create a button here. So const button style.button, and this is gonna have a appearance of none, and I think that actually fixes most of the things. So let me come here, reload this. Oh no, that fixes absolutely nothing. Okay, so I want a background of transparent, a color of white, fucking hell, that doesn't matter. Background of transparent, padding 0, and What do I want more? Padding of 0, background transparent, and border none. There we go. So now this has the accessibility problem. Button without a label. Yeah, it doesn't have a label. So I'm gonna add an area label to mark as seen. Where is that? So this button should have an area label that should be mark as seen. And the FII is gonna have a fill of FA, and a size of 24. I think this is how this thing works. Yeah, okay, there we go. So next thing that we're gonna do is that we are gonna actually create a component that is basically just gonna be the a provider for all of the state, and like it's gonna allow me to toggle between these things. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna create a new file. Come here, boy. A new file, and this file is gonna be called, what do I call it? What is the name of this? So this is the scene context, I think. And I'm just gonna scene context.js. And I'm gonna import React from React. And I'm gonna actually create a class. First of all, I'm gonna define the email context. So I'm gonna say the email, the scene context, so let scene context, and then I'm gonna assign it to React.create context. So I'm gonna say the const, and I'm gonna say the provider, and the email, the fucking hell, I don't know what's wrong, and the consumer is equal to React.create context. Okay, cool. So what am I gonna do here? So the first thing that I'm gonna do is create a class. So I'm gonna say class. I mean, I don't need a class. What am I talking about? I'm using hooks, right? What the fuck? Okay. So I'm gonna create a const that is gonna be called yeah, this is gonna be called the scene provider. I have no idea. What did I create? Scene context equal. Oh, I need to assign it as well, so it needs to be something like this, because I need to export it. Okay, so scene provider equals a function, and I'm gonna use state, so I'm gonna import the state, and I'm also gonna use effect, so I'm gonna import both. Use effect, so the first thing I'm going to do is create the state, and the state was going to get the movies that have been marked as seen. That's really it. So I'm going to say const scene and set scene. It's going to be equal to use state, and this is going to be equal to an empty object at first, because an empty array, because it server side renders. That's the thing. So we can't set it to local storage. And then when the component mount, so use effect. What I'm gonna do is get all the emails from local storage. So I'm gonna say const scene movies equals window that, no, it's local storage that get item, I think. Local storage that get item. And that item is, and I'm gonna prefix it with the website, so shitty horror movies. I have no idea why I did that. What's up? No, okay, nothing important. Shitty horror movies and scene. And if this doesn't exist, then it's just gonna return an empty array. Otherwise, return an empty array. And I'm gonna set scene as seen movies. So far, so good. So this is what we do. Okay, cool. No, I actually have to JSON stringify that. So I think it's JSON parse. I don't quite remember. So let me get local storage MDN. Oh, thanks, man. Using the Locosaurus, we're looking at the Locosaurus school. Oh my god. Dude, seriously? I think like I need to like Jason.stringify, yeah. Need that storage area. No, yeah, I need to parse it. So I need to parse it. So Jason.parse. Parse in movies, and there we go. Okay, so then I need to return a provider. So I am gonna return a provider. And what I'm gonna do with this provider is that it's just gonna like, so the value of this is gonna be seen basically. So provider, and so I'm gonna pass it a value. And the value is gonna have two things. One is seen, which is already there, and the other one is, I'm gonna pass the other one next, but it's like add things basically. So I need to like be able to add shit to it. So I'm just gonna pass scene for now. I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna say this dot props children. Hey, are you gonna come? Yeah. So I'm actually like, I'm not speaking, but I'm an ambassador for JS Heroes this year, so which means that I don't have to speak and I still get a free ticket. So that's fucking dope. So I'm gonna be there for actually like 2 weeks, because I really liked it. Oh, I was gonna actually type on the chat instead of typing here. So props.children. And that's pretty much all we have to do, and now we export it. So we export the scene provider. And we export the consumer as well, and we export it as, wait, the scene provider. Wait, so yeah, we export the scene provider, the scene context, and the consumer. So yeah, and we export the consumer as scene consumer. So this is the consumer, and as scene consumer. And yeah, so this is what we export, and now we can access these things. So I'm gonna come to the movie, and I'm gonna try and get this. So I can use React, I use context for this, which is cool. So I'm gonna get React and use context. So there's no more like weird stuff here. So I'm gonna come here to the bottom, and there we go. And now I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna get, what am I gonna, I'm gonna get scene. So const scene is equal to react dot create context, rate dot create dot create, no, wait, is it create, use context, what the fuck, use context, and I'm gonna import the scene context. So I'm gonna go back and import scene context from, I'm gonna get this and say scene context, cool. So, use context, react, use context, scene context, I don't need this. So, what do I want from here? Okay. Let me see what this, okay, so this report is a provider and the context. Wait, give me a second. So I use context. I've actually not used this a lot. What? Oh yeah, so what we want to do is that, okay, let me just console.log this, which is a better idea. And I'm gonna console.log scene. And let's just reload the page, which I think is a better idea than me like just like trying to figure out what's going on. Can I read proper context of undefined? What? Add a margin to do, add a margin or value. Can I read property context of undefined? Use context, isn't it use context? And then it's import scene context. Can I check? Oh, I need to import the context. So I need to import scene context, but like this. What the fuck am I doing? There we go. So if I reload the page now, I should have something. yeah, so I get undefined, which is great. So that didn't help at all. I always see context undefined. Yeah, it's completely undefined. That is really weird. So this gets the context. Okay, so just in that first movies, it's set scene, use state, so use effect. Oh shit, this is running on everything. I just want to run it once. But even if I only run it once, it still says undefined. That's not cool, man. That is not cool at all. So value is seen. So if I get this provider, I should just get seen. I should just get seen from this provider. But it says like cannot read property something of undefined. Yeah, which is weird. Okay. Interesting. It's not interesting at all. It's really annoying actually. Okay. So this is the same provider that returns this provider with this props.children, which is what we need to do, but in this case we actually don't need it. So we use context and we get the scene thing. So if that's the scene provider, is this correct? Yeah. It has a value of scene. Yeah, because we on remount, we say local storage I get items, but what does this return? Am I not writing this correctly? What the fuck did I click on? Okay, so this returns null. It's a fact, local storage, or an empty array. Scene, use state. There's something wrong. Let me just like remove this and see what it returns. Maybe that's not how you use it. Alright. So this is the only. Is it value? Is it the name? Is the thing value? Oh. There's an object with scene equals scene. This is fucking weird. So this not prompts the children. Yeah, I'm seeing this from another thing that I've seen people do and it works. Then I export scene provider, scene context, and consumer as scene consumer. And then in here, I say use context, scene context. And then I should get scene out of this. So let me set the value to like, well. Oh, can I read property scene of undefined? Let me go to the use context thing. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so you pass a value that can be an object. So then you can give it the consumer, but since I exported the consumer here, in context, I said that it goes React I create context. And then in here, I import the scene provider. Wait, no, I import the scene context. Wait, it's context. Okay, that's cool. So use context, number context. So you just, where's the number context? Number context is just React I create context, exactly. It returns two things. It returns a provider and the thing. Says I want to get scene context. And I want to use scene context here. So use context, scene context. Isn't that how you fucking type it? This does not make any sense. Oh, I didn't pass the... I had to pass the provider somewhere. So this is the... Wait, so... What? I am completely lost by this thing. Give me a sec. So I need to pass the provider, and the provider renders the children. So the provider, fucking hell, the provider needs to be on the layout. I completely forgot about this. That was fucking stupid. So let me go back. Let me put scene. No one tell me that this was stupid. Scene consumer, scene provider. I need to import scene provider. So if I'm gonna go on the layout and import Scene provider from, I fucked up. And I want scene context, and I want to say, oh wait, no, I do the scene provider here, so the I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna do it here. So scene provider and scene provider. And fragment, I'm gonna delete this. The wrong one. Am I not using the layout? Maybe I'm not. No, I am using the layout. So layout, the layout has a scene provider, and it renders the children. I have no idea what the fuck is going on. So this is... You paste the number count. Render the children. I'm very confused by what the fuck is going on. Yeah, so just you import the provider and you pass the user provider. In this case, the provider, so scene provider is passed here. And that's okay. Then we get the scene context, which is done like this. So, yep, which is like const provider consumer, I go scene context, and then I pass the consumer as the scene consumer. But I actually don't use the consumer anywhere, so I actually don't need to do this. I mean, I still need to do this, but I don't know what the fuck is going on. I have no idea why this isn't working. Oh, my computer tried I was talking to him again. Like, I was just trying to clean this thing up, but I guess I'm just gonna use it here, and that's fine by me. Can we probably props up on the fine? Oh, because this is just children. Is it working now? I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about. Okay, this is a JSON parse error. Because JSON.parse is not, this is not an array. This object, this is an object. No, this isn't an array. What the fuck are you talking about? So I make console.log this. So it's undefined and then it's an array. Oh, because I need to await. So, oh. But I can't await inside of this. Oh, that's bullshit. Wait, I would say undefined. So it's either this or this. So it should... Okay, so the problem is that I need to JSON parse this here. Okay, so now I get that, which is fine, finally. So I'm gonna remove this. JSON.parses it. So I need to come here and I can get scene out of this. I don't think I can actually. Oh, can you not get a property scene of undefined? Can I property scene of undefined? Okay, no what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna do it my way. Fuck you. Okay, cool. So let's use state and let's use effect. So use state and use effect for these. Yes, we're doing it that way. Okay, cool. So const scene and set scene. equals use state, and this use state is gonna default to an empty array. And I want to say that, yeah, so scene in, okay? So I'm gonna create a function called is movie scene. Const is movie scene. And this is gonna get the movie ID. So this is gonna get the ID, and I think this is movie. Yeah, so I'm gonna get movie.id. I'm gonna get, should I get movie.id? Yeah, I'm gonna get movie.id. So this is gonna get an ID. And what is gonna, so it's gonna get an ID, and what this ID is gonna do is that we're gonna say, it's gonna be an async function. And what I'm gonna say is const local storage equals wait local storage that get item, and this item is gonna be shitty horror movies / scene, or an empty array. And I'm gonna say, so the next thing, oh, window.local storage. Local storage was used before it was defined. Yeah, that's because it doesn't, oh, okay, local storage values. And what I'm gonna do here is, I'm gonna say local storage return local storage value. So this is actually gonna be a wait JSON dot parse of this, and it's gonna be local storage values. I'll find where the value, so value that ID exists, and that's it. So the movie is seen. I actually don't want to show this. I want to show another thing. I have no idea where the fuck that is now. Now that's here. So if is movie seen, and I pass movie.id. If the movie is seen, I want the other thing. If it's not seen, I want to show this one. So the other one is called fi / mark as, and I also needed a thing here. And if is movie seen, then I want this to be unseen, and then I want this to be seen. And this is missing this, and this. And there we go. So if I reload a page, I should get the exact same thing. I don't. Cannot read property seen of undefined. What the fuck? Oh, is it still here? No, it's not. I am still importing this. This doesn't exist. Does this just like stop building for some reason? No such file or directory components tags. What are you talking about? Where is this even getting? What? This is not a thing anywhere in the app. What are you talking about? Oh, my camera isn't working again. Oh, for fuck's sake. Where's my camera now? Oh, there we go. Camera's working now. So this apparently takes forever to start building. I have no idea where that shit was getting imported. I guess it would always be a mystery. Who knows? Oh no, it says can resolve scene context. Oh, okay, that's getting imported. Okay, wait a second, I'm just putting the game back on. Dude, come on. Oh, yay. Team that I wanted to lose is still losing. That's good. Okay, so this is in layout. Let me go to layout, and let me remove this, and remove this, and remove this, and now I need a fragment again. Oh my god, let me just like go to layout and go back. What the fuck? Did I have tags? Yeah, what the fuck? Go restore file. I think I deleted the wrong file at a certain point. Okay, cool. Except it's exactly the opposite of what I wanted. Life. Storage at find, so local storage values, get item, is movie scene. So if find, what? You got something to find. Yeah, so it returns undefined, so the movie's not seen. Did I put this backwards? The movie seen. Wait, no, it's true. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, so now I should be able to click this button. So I should say on click. And I should just say toggle movie. And pass movie.id. So toggle movie gets an ID as well. And then it runs a function and it says like if oh my god. If this movie's seen and I pass the ID back, what I want to do, if the movie's seen, I want to remove it. And if not, so it's just going to return. I'm just going to return in this case. And it's going to return. Otherwise, I want to say window, so I'm just going to say local storage. I don't mean that. Local storage, that set item equal to scene, that push, and I want to push this movie ID. So I want to say push an object with the ID of ID. So I actually don't need this. Earn toggle movie. Wait, what is the problem with toggle movie? Toggle movie is not defined. That makes sense. So const toggle movie is not defined. So go storage that set item, and I want to set scene. Oh my god, I think my team actually scored the second goal. Yay! So scene set scene equals scene that push this ID as well. So I can get both of them like actually okay. So I'm gonna do this and I shouldn't get an error. So if I try to do this now, what is this? ID blocked. Oh, this is Google Ads for some reason. I have no idea where fucking Google Ads is added. No clue. I think it was actually a pretty good goal. Oh my god, that was fucking amazing. So let me go on application. And local storage, local hosts. And I have absolutely nothing. Cool. If this movie scene ID, I have no idea if it's actually getting here. Console.log. Oh my god, what is going on? Let me move application over to console. Yeah, there we go. So it's not entering this. There's something like if the, oh my god. No, if the movie's seen. So if the movie's seen, how does it enter this? That doesn't make any sense. This movie scene ID. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck, man. Wait, this needs to be in a sync function as well. Oh, it needs to be in a sync function. Cool. Yeah, so that made sense. So local storage, that's set, and this is the thing. Oh, JSON partition that stringify. Oh, scene. If scene, and there we go. So I'm gonna actually like delete everything that's on the close to the 80. I'm gonna do this, and there we go. Okay, so now we get an ID, and this is actually correct. Okay, so what I want to do is also like I want to use effect, and on every scene change. So I want to use effect, and what I want to do is that I want to run this on scene, and when scene changes, so when I change scene here, what do I? No, this is fine. No, this is fine. I don't actually use effect right now. I mean, I do. I need to set scene in the beginning, so let me get this as well. So local storage values. Cost local storage values, and oh shit. This can't be an away function. Local storage values, and set scene equal to JSON that equals to local storage values. So there we go. So now I'm going to reload the page. And oh no. So do I want to do this? Let me console that log scene. Okay, yeah. I don't want to do this. Why do I want to? No, his movie scene should actually. So his movie scene doesn't actually need to go here. It just needs to go like scene that find. Why is this getting this? I don't need this anymore. This is get at the beginning. Yeah, but this should be marked as scene now. Why is this not seen? That is a very good question. So this sets the thing, so set local storage values, and that's it. So if the movie is seen, no, this is not a wait anymore, and this is also not a wait anymore, this is not a sync. Okay, cool. So if this movie is seen, okay, this is a toggle movie, I don't care. So is movie seen, so it says scene.find and v equals v.id. Oh, what the fuck? No. Oh, v.id equals ID. What the fuck, Sarah? Oh, so that still doesn't work. So v.id equals ID. So this maps through scene. Okay, I don't know. Let me just do this on the render function. Oh my god, fuck off. And this is how you tell people to fuck off. Also goes movie.id, and this is also movie.id. So this is like this. What the fuck, man? The movie's supposed to be seen. Why isn't this true? Where am I running this? Oh, in toggle movie, that's fine. Yeah. What is it? What is the last one that I did? The last one is the ID. No, the ID is okay as well. So this is the ID. Everything's okay, then why the fuck isn't it like toggling the thing? Because it re-renders. So I'm talking about the movie, I actually changed the scene and it should re-render. Toggle movie is actually an async function. Oh no, it's not. So local storage, I said item. Oh no, it is an async function. So I need to, let me await this. And in this case, I need to get scene. And I need to say scene. Oh, set scene is equal to scene.filter. That filter and s.id is different than ID that is passed. And this is like, it sets the array like this. And it sets the local storage. Await local storage, let's set item equal to justify scene. That's it. That's it, I think. Oh, wait. Yeah. But if I click it, nothing happens. Scene.find is not a function. So scene, always scene.find not a function. No, so it does things, and like it literally all has the same fucking value. But it doesn't change anything in here, and that is the weirdest shit. Oh, let me reload page and clean that. What the fuck? So it's empty now. Okay, cool, that's fine. And now oh, what the fuck? This thing is up backwards. Okay. Okay, so I did a lot of things backwards, that's what I can tell by now. I think I opened WhatsApp again. Okay, it opened the other tab, that's fine. Okay, so now if I click this, oh my god, finally. So now I get 1. Why is the value an empty array though? But the state is not. Oh, it doesn't fucking toggle back? Fucking hell. Is this wrong too? If it finds it, remove it. Yeah, if it finds it, remove it, that's fine. If scene.find v.id equals ID, then filter it and set it to scene. And set item to JSON.stringify scene. Oh my god. Okay. No, I think this makes perfect sense. What the fuck is going on here? So it's not seen. Oh yeah, so now I have to remove this. Reload the page. I didn't see when it enters each part, so let me... Oh, I know the problem. Return. I mean, I probably don't know the problem, just pretending that I fucking know the problem, but that's fine. So if I click this now, and I unclick this, click this again, and I unclick this again, and I unclick this, it's backwards. What the fuck? How is this backwards? It doesn't make any sense. Oh my god, clean this fuck. Okay, cool, so if I click it, this doesn't make any sense. Oh, now it's always empty, okay. No, if you find it, delete it. If you don't find it, like, it's fine. Yeah, so it's scene.concat this ID, so it concats this to JSON.stringify scene. I mean, this is fine. I have no idea why it's fucking up in here. So if I do this, and I reload the page, it doesn't work. Yep, that was a problem because that thing is a sync. Cool, so that's done. Let me clean this up. So cause remove equals this. Okay, so we have the scene things, and so I can mark it as unseen. No, mark it as seen, mark it as unseen, mark it as seen. Okay, cool, so we have that. So now let me add the same exact thing before watch list. And set watch list, so this is basically like toggle movie needs to be toggle scene movie, which is fine. And then I have this set scene and set, so I need the same thing, storage values for scene, so local storage scene, and I need the exact same thing for the local storage watch list. And this is watch list. And I need to set watch list. Let me just get the thing. Equal to local storage dot watch list. There we go. And this is basically the same thing too. I'm just gonna copy and paste this. To go watch this movie. And so this is, what is that? Watch list. Scene here is scene, watch list. And then we pass this to watch list like this, so they're all the same. And I have add, and this is also watch list. Set scene to add, so I said watch list, just if I add and remove is this, and watch list I find. Sort of should remove this and remove. There we go. So now I should get a watch list thing, which should be like an ad or something. There's no ad. Wow, okay. Like list. Then a watch list or something. What's a calendar? Okay, like no material. Here's the one that has less, I think. This is the most interesting part, I think. In my humble opinion, is me looking for icons. Now is there like nothing, just like an ad? Oh, deep playlist ad. But there's no fucking remove. Are you serious? Like, this is exactly what I wanted, and it has no remove. What the fuck? There's football on. I'm gonna find a fucking icon. Even if it's the last thing that I do. Oh my god, I don't wanna look like this, like ad. Oh my god. Remove. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god, I'm just gonna add a fucking plus. Font awesome, let me just add a plus or something. Yeah, so watch list can be a calendar, so I'm gonna go with that. So FA, and I want FA calendar plus O, and FA calendar plus minus O. And FA calendar plus minus O. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing, but with FA minus plus or something like that. So I don't need this anymore. Another button like this. And this is not seen, this is watch list, so let me get watch list. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Remove! I'm trying to get the fucking ads out of the movie, the fucking game. And it's like 3,000 fucking ads. There we go. Like, people need to make money. I'm aware, we're all aware, okay? Okay, so this undefined is this, and this watch list is toggle. I don't know why my like fucking like autocorrect, like auto prefix, auto find shit is not working. It's super annoying. Like sometimes it works, sometimes it's just like, you know what, Sarah, go suck a dick. And I'm like, okay, fine. I guess I'll go suck a dick. Thanks. Slash, no, okay, so is this minus? No, this is plus, so this is and this is minus O. Minus O. And this is remove, add, and this goes away to watch list. Okay, so if I reload a page, I should be able to add things to watch list. Maybe. Who knows? Oh no, I can't. Type is invalid, I don't care. Type is invalid. Type is invalid. Oh my god, what is that? So it's a button component. Oh, this is not seen. Are you serious right now? Think I fucked up. Fuck. Come here. Estaba perdiendo los cabellos. Okay, there we go. Yeah, this is okay now. Oh my god, what? Okay, so... What? Okay, I fucked up here too. I am really bad at developing. This goes here. There we go. So on click, watch list, I find. Fact counter plus O. Is there a problem with this? Fact counter minus O. Fact counter plus O. Does this not exist here? Fucking hell. What do you have here? Index. Thanks. Okay, cool. I don't think this is like this icon exists. Why do you hate me, dude? Why are you being such a dick face? There we go, so that's the problem. These icons don't exist. FE icon and minus. Oh. Oh, great. Because they have this new site. Check the new site. Font awesome. Yep. Oh, it's only FA calendar plus. I actually don't know what the O was doing there, but... Okay, so we should get that now. Just reload the page. What? Dude, real... What is going on? Oh, there's an error. Reload! Let's do this. Okay. Cool. Remove those useless divs. They're not doing anything there. And now they should all go like file and select like this. And I can add to watch list. But I cannot remove from watch list. You gotta remove this watch list. Remove to watch. Okay. So only the icon is not showing up. See that on watch list. Got minus. What? The fuck is going on? Okay, can you chill? Okay. This toggles. Okay, cool. This toggles this? Ooh. Chill. Okay, cool. So if I click this, it's fine. If I click this one, it fucks up the website. Toggle watch list movie. What? So this sets item of shitty horror movies watch list. Set watch list, local storage watch list, local storage scene, this is fine. Set item, set scene add, watch list icon cat, and the ID is equal to this ID. So if watch list are find, and the ID equals ID, cost remove, watch list and remove. Wait, come on, that I've seen something. Oh, there we go. So that fucked up. Set watch list. Great shit. So I guess that is working. So what is the next thing that I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a page for these things, I think. Like, but yeah. So now, yeah. Reload page, and I'm gonna add a watch list page. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do this today. Should I do this today? No, it's already 10, so I'll do this tomorrow. So tomorrow, probably Wednesday, another stream. And it's gonna be dope, I think. So I think I'm done with components, so then I just need a new page. So let me just like create a scene movies page. So scenemovies.js, and let me just import all of these things. Wait, can you like Gatsby local store? I am pretty sure this is a thing. Like use local storage as source. Oh my god, there's no Gatsby source local storage. No. Damn it. That would fun amazing. I'm just gonna say that. Import React, and I'm gonna create a const, and scene equals a function. It's gonna render. It's gonna return. Sorry, it's gonna return this, and let me also import. And I want this layout. Import. What the fuck? And I want to use effect, so I want to use this effect. So scene. I literally want some of these things. So and okay. Okay, and I don't want this watch list. I just want the scene one. And I want to say scene map, and for each. Oh shit! I need to get the ID, but I can't get the ID like that. Oh my god! Hey. I can't get the ID. So I need to like go through each ID and get it from GraphQL. But that doesn't fucking work in Gatsby, which is kind of sad. So like, how do I explain this? Oh no, it works in pages. No, it doesn't. So like the other way GraphQL does it is that it doesn't do things at runtime, which is, I mean, I can still use a GraphQL thing. No, I can't. I have no idea what I'm gonna do right now. Oh, sorry, man, but I'm actually gonna stop now. I've been at this for like I think 45 minutes, so I've added some like capabilities to like set scene and set So like you can set movies to add movies to watch list and set them as scene. And tomorrow or Wednesday, it's probably gonna be Wednesday because I think I have like 4 different things to do tomorrow. I'm gonna add pages for this. I was gonna add them now, but then I remember that Gatsby doesn't allow you to like, yeah. Oh shit! I need to like this to be done in a different way because. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just like I'm gonna try something, which instead of sending the idea, I'm gonna send the whole movie. Toggle watch list movie and toggle scene movie. And this gets the movie. And this is like, instead of being ID, is movie.id. This instead of being ID is movie.id. And watch list filter and watch list find movie.id, watch list concat to movie. Yeah, that's it. So if I delete all of the things, okay, I don't need to delete it, but I just need to go on application. I can delete it, that's fine. Reload the page. If I do this now, I think I should get everything. Yeah, so I get a thing of all the paths, which get shot sharp. Yeah, so I need to do this, which is fine by me. So now we have all of the movie hit there. What? Okay, so I know what the problem is. v.id, no, that's fine. v.id equals movie.id, v.id equals movie.id, and I pass it the ID. And then Because movie.id, why is this not working? It's actually not toggling now again. Fucking hell. So I gotta get this to work, and then I'm gonna watch football. Oh, there we go. This is movie that. What? Toggle scene movie. Oh, okay, I got it. movie that ID. Oh no! Oh no, I fucked up. And this is also movie that ID. And local stories I remove. And scene that concat. And I concat a movie. Dude, what the fuck? Reload this page. So I get that. And if I click it, nothing happens. Nothing happens. Right. Why? Oh, I don't, that's dumb, because I passed a movie inside of there. What? So I passed a thing called movie. No, I need to spread movie. Creating a cat. Is this what is gonna make it work? I think so. Dude, reload the page. Oh, because I'm being stupid. I was concatenating this as a thing, but now I don't need to. Just concat movie like this. Because I needed to concat it as a thing because I was just passing values. I wasn't passing an object. That was pretty stupid. That was pretty fucking dumb. Okay. So if I click it now, I should have it working. Now I should have it working. And let me go to next movie. And if I do this, I should have it working. And let me go to like this. Is this the view or the watch list? Let me just add it to watch list as well. And if I do this. Oh yeah, so I needed to clean it. But it gets Leprechaun and Mega Shark. Okay, so this is cool. Because now I just need to map all over what's in the thing. So, why did I delete that? That was stupid. That works. So pages, and I'm gonna create a new file, and it's gonna be called scene.js. I'm gonna paste this. I don't need any of this. I need the layout. I need to use effect. So I'm gonna get the scene.map, and for each I'm gonna call it movie, and I'm just gonna movie that name. So like this, and go back because this actually needs to be like this because I'm also gonna import use state and use effect. So come here, and I need this. I need use effect. And I don't need set watch list, I just need this, and I'm gonna delete watch list. And then I'm gonna come here and set the scene thing. And I'm gonna say use state and use effect. Okay, so that's done, and I have a fucking error somewhere. And return layout that map. There we go. What the fuck, dude? Go up like this. Turn layout the map. And if I go to scene now, I should get the 2 movies. Or an error. Okay, let me clean this. Okay, fuck you. This is what I have to say to you, man. This is what I have to say. What the fuck? Oh, I guess because I fucked up that. Okay, so next movie. Let me add this to both. And let me add this to both. And now let me go to scene. And I get nothing, and I get no errors. That's cool. Set scene, local registration order that movie scene, use state scene, the map. Oh, okay, P movie. That makes sense. So okay, that's, I don't care. Yeah, but there's nothing here. Oh my god, stop. Because there's no name. What the fuck am I doing? It's title. Okay, there we go. Yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. So this should have, I'm gonna import image from Gatsby image. I'm gonna create a UL. So I'm gonna come here, import Gatsby image. And I'm gonna get the, where's the poster? So poster. For each movie, I'm gonna get a poster, which has a key of movie.id. And I'm gonna create a poster. And this is pretty much all I need to do, really. Poster, and import this as well, which is styled. No, not the, okay, that works, actually, that's fine. Now if I reload the page, I should get 3 of those, I think. Yeah. No idea why there's so much at the top, but that's a thing that we have. So it should have a container. And I'm gonna come here. Do that. Don't I have a container here? No, I do. Oh, I have a main, that works too. And this should be called container. Oops. Let's see what happens now. There we go. I don't understand what's going on with this. We've animated fade in. Oh, let me put this at the bottom. Okay, cool. Is this something to do with the fade in thing? I think this has something to do with the fade in. Yep, because it transforms them. Where is that? Remove this and remove this, and now they are in place. God damn it. Okay, let me come here. Let me come here. Oh, the poster has that transform. I just need to remove that. That was stupid. So there we go. It also doesn't need the flex shrink. And this is a grid. So display grid and grid columns. Oh my god, how do you grid columns things? So display grid. Yeah, grid template columns equals repeat 3 1 FR, and what I want grid gap to be 20 pixels like this, and what is grid wrap? Is that a thing? Flex wrap? That is interesting. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, so let me add this. So after the padding, including deep padding, so let's do this, and there we go. And why is this TL? What the fuck is this TL wrapper? And why don't I have the main? Oh, container, there we go. This has a width, and this has a max width of 90%. Oh, 90 VW. Oh, come on, what? Oh, this is fine now. Grid template columns, repeat 3 4. This is really weird. Like, it works fine like this. How do you have a break? Okay, fuck it. What is the max thing that? Okay, so media 1000. This is weird. Like, what is the steel wrapper? So with 100%. Okay, there we go. Now I'll go to scene. This, like, this should really, like, repeat. This would be like 1 FR. One FR, but if I do this, how does it go like that? It doesn't make any sense. Because the thing, this main ends here. Why does the gray continue? Like, wrap, isn't it? It's like overflow wrap. No, it's grid wrap. It's like, there should be a wrap. I'm gonna display flags. And this is what happens. Flex wrap. There we go, and now it just wraps, and this should have a margin of 10 pixels. There we go, and now if it fits, it's gonna come here. There we go, and if it fits, it's gonna go there. And now we have 3 fucking movies. And that is amazing. So this should link to the actual movie, so let's just do that. Where do I have Urelify? Is it an index? Random movie button. Oh, there's a random movie button. Oh, because the random movie thing. Yeah, it's a Linkify movie. So I need to get this. And this. And I'm gonna go to scene. Paste this. Done. And then Linkify to movie. So this should have an A. Actually, this should have a link. So this should be link. So import image. Import link from Gatsby. And I'm gonna say, so every poster needs a link around it. Link to movies / Linkify movie that title. Oh, and these keys should go in there. Oh, for fuck's sake, I forgot that lowercase. Yep, there we go. So if I go to scene. Okay, but this actually shouldn't be like this. So where is that one? Movie button, so it's a pen trip thing. So what I want is any link. It's not here, man. What are you doing? Sarah, what are you doing? We go to scene and import. Instead of exporting this, I'm gonna fucking hell, are you serious? Why do you hate me? Import any link. Should be any link, and let me come here to the random movie button and paste this. Pen trip X to scene. So it should do the same thing. So if I do this, it should go to this exactly. So let me get the H1 that I have in the movies. I think it's just literally an H1, isn't it? Yep. So container H1 scene movies. Oh, shit. Oh, fucking hell. So style.main. There we go. So we have movie scene, and then I can go to the movie. There we go. I have no idea why this isn't animating. it's because I removed fade in. Huh? Is that a fade in? So let me go on animate.css. Oh, a friend of mine thinks I'm sleeping. Where the fuck am I sleeping? Bitch, I'm on a stream. What is fade in? What is that? What is that thing? Okay, so I want fade. Fade in. It's just fade in. Maybe they were fading in, I just couldn't tell it. Yeah, it's fading in. Okay, cool. So I have movie scene, and that's it. Should I do a zip? No, I'm just gonna go. Yeah, so we have a movie scene, and I should just add, so inside of the link, there should also be a name, which should be in H2, that should have movie.title. And what this is gonna do, oh, this actually doesn't look bad. My God, my computer is incredibly and almost unbelievably slow. Like it's seriously like kind of amazing how fucking slow this is. It should be an H3. It doesn't have to be an H2. Yeah, there we go. And this is a poster that has it, but it should be the lists. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, this is fine. So, and this H2, let me just come here and say H2 should have a padding of 0, 10 pixels. That didn't do anything. It's kind of amazing because it's not H2, it's an H3. Now it's in the center, and this link should have a style. I'm just gonna add a position of relative. And this H3 should also have a position absolute. Absolute. And top of 50%, left of 50%, 50%, and that weird translate, so transform, translate X of minus 50%, and we should do the same thing for translate Y. So translate Y minus 50%, and if I reload the page, yeah, it should be right in the center of that. So we should also have a display of none. Should have an opacity of 0, that's what I mean. So opacity of 0. And then the poster, and hover. So on a hover, it should have a, you're gonna do this like, and hover H3, plus H3, opacity of 1. And this would be like a transition, all 200 milliseconds ease. And it should also have a translate X of like 200% or something, and then it should have a translate X here of minus 50. So like animates fades in up. So if I do this, it doesn't fucking do anything because I didn't write transition. Oh, it's not X, it's Y, sorry. What the fuck? Sounds like Y. Oh my God, dude, leave me alone. What? Oh, I need to do both, yeah. I can't just override one, I need to override both. That is true. There we go. And now this background, what the fuck? So now this thing is to go like all dark and shit. So we should have an after. So this thing should have an after. Should have an opacity of 0 as well. Background of, what is this background? So I'm going movie and let me see the backgrounds. I have no idea. Container? No. Yeah, yes. Yes. So scene, and it should have this background. And a width of 100%. A height of 100%. A top of 0. A left 0. There we go. And after, opacity 1. And where's that? Where's that shit? Transition. There we go. Are you done? No, I didn't do any after. Oh, did I add a content? Nope. I always forget the fucking content. Oh, it still didn't work. What? Why? There's a width of 100% and a height of 100%. I mean, I can have the width of 300, but I mean, that's fucking stupid. So width 300, height 450, I guess. 300 pixels and height 450. Oh my god, I seriously will never understand why sometimes width and height works and look, still doesn't do anything. What? What's that? Oh my god, it doesn't fucking display a block. So many resets in this motherfucker. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck, dude? Like, it does exactly what I want and then it goes back. There we go. There we go. Good. Is this? Oh, this should also have a text align of center. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. There we go. If I go to the movie, it adds the movie. Beautiful. This, I don't know, just remove it. Bye. I'm gonna go too. Yeah. So yeah, we did a bunch of shit. So now we have a scene page, which is pretty fucking nice. I'm just gonna go with that. I'm gonna just commit this. So git add a. I wanna just try the build, see if it works as well. If the build works, and if it works, I'm just gonna commit. It doesn't work. It says you need an API key and a session ID. Okay, that makes sense. So I'm just gonna wait. I have that in. For fucking sake, Gatsby. Git add a. Git commit. Add scene and watch list. Okay, keep push. Okay, and that is it. I'm gonna watch them footballs again. And bye. Have a good night.